Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best location spoofers out there. It's called MocPOGO. It's the ultimate Pokémon GO spoofer for iPhone and Android. With just one click, you can teleport anywhere in the world. No walking, no limits, just full control over your location. Move freely using the built-in joystick, walk, run, or drive in-game without moving an inch in real life. Fake your GPS location for Pokémon GO, Monster Hunter Now, and other AR games. Explore rare spawns, complete raids, wherever, whenever. Not just for games, MocPOGO also works with dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and many other social media apps as well. Change your location and meet new people around the world. And it supports the latest iOS 18 and Android 15, so it works with pretty much all the latest devices. Now let me show you how to use it. Simply download the MocPOGO on your Mac or Windows from their official website. I will put the link in the description. After downloading it onto your Mac or Windows, now simply install the MocPOGO tool on your Windows or Mac, and then simply run it. Next, you need to registering the software, and then click on Start button, and then choose the device you want to connect. Now, select your device OS system and connect your device to the computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi. If you are using MocPOGO for the first time, please enable developer mode on your iPhone or enable USB debugging on your Android device. MocPOGO has recently launched a Bluetooth mode that allows for direct modification of the official game location. Now let me show you some of the main features of the MocPOGO tool. Now by simply select the location you want to change and then simply hit go, and then your device location will be changed in seconds. First up, we have teleport mode. This lets you instantly change your location from one place to another, like from New York to Tokyo, in just a few seconds. It's super useful when you want to catch region-exclusive Pokémon or join raids in different cities. Next is two-spot mode. This one lets you move from point A to point B in a straight line, and you can even set the speed and how many times it should go back and forth. It's great for hatching eggs, collecting Pokestops, or farming without getting soft banned. And if you want to cover more ground, there's multi-spot mode. You can set multiple points on the map, and your character will follow the whole route. This mode is perfect for players who want to farm items, visit multiple Pokestops, or just make their in-game movement look more natural. And then there's Joystick Mode. This one gives you full manual control, just like a game controller. You can walk, run, or change directions smoothly using an on-screen joystick or even your keyboard. It's ideal for exploring areas in real time. But wait, there's more. MocPOGO also lets you import GPX files so you can follow specific walking routes easily. Change locations on multiple devices at the same time. Perfect if you have more than one game account. And here's the best part, you can get up to 50% off MocPOGO right now. Don't miss it. So if you want to spoof your GPS location easily and safely, check out MocPOGO. All the info is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.